A Navy Federal personal loan can be used for various purposes, including debt consolidation, home improvements, or emergencies. Follow these steps to apply. Become a Navy Federal member. You must be a Navy Federal Credit Union member. Eligibility includes active duty, retired or veteran military members, DoD employees, and family members of NFCU members. Open a Navy Federal checking or savings account to establish membership. Check loan eligibility and credit score. Personal loans range from $250 to $50,000, with terms up to 5 years. A higher credit score increases approval chances and lowers interest rates. NFCU also considers income and debt-to-income ratio. Apply online, in-app, or by phone. Log into NavyFederal.org or use the Navy Federal mobile app. Go to Loans and Credit, Personal Loans, and click Apply Now. Enter personal, employment, and financial details. Wait for approval and receive funds. Approval can be instant or take 1 to 3 business days. If approved, funds are deposited directly into your Navy Federal account.